Mr. Sibanyoni was shot twice in the stomach.
Uba uSibanyoni uye wadubuleka kabili la esuswini.
Loko ngizwa ngayo ukuthi kayithiwa ngazi ukuthi wadubuleka kangaki.
It's the first time I heard.
I'm putting it to you.
I don't know how many times.
Those are the facts. You can accept that. He has 2 bullet wounds.
Udubuleka kabili.
Hayi angazi njengoba ngisho.
I'm putting it to you so you can just accept it.
Ngeke ngize ngivume into engayazi bengekho angisiwu doctor mina.
I won't agree with you. I'm not a doctor. I was not there.
You don't have to agree. I'm putting it to you. I'm telling you what happened is he was shot twice.
Uyakutshela.
Mhlambe unolwazi but angangifunzi into engayazi.
Maybe you are having a knowledge of that.
Yes, I do. The state has given it to us.
Yeah. But mina angiyazi mina ngisho angisiwu doctor.
Just listen to the question, sir.
Okay.
I haven't finished the question yet.
Can you dispute the fact that Mr. Sibanyoni was shot twice?
Bawucela ungaphika ukuthi ke manje uba uSibanyoni uyawadubuleka kabili. Ungaphika lo.
Nangaphezulu wayingadubuleka.
Even above more than twice.
Can you dispute it?
Ungaphika lo.
Angeke ngize ngiphike.
I won't dispute it.
Now, Mr. Sibanyoni survived.
Baba Sibanyoni wasinda.
Yebo wasinda.
Yes, he did survive.
And is it not correct that you are working for him?
After
this incident, he gave you employment.
manje endabeni yomsebenzi wami. Uyayibona manje le ukuthi yapi? Ngena kanjani manje endabeni yomsebenzi wami necontract yami? How when ungene kanjani ma record wami?
Counsel is asking you a simple question. It doesn't require a long explanation. He's just simply saying, or putting a proposition to you, is it not correct that you are employed by Mr. Sibanyoni?
No, angikashwanga.
It's either a yes or a no answer. What is your response?
No. My answer is no.
Have you never worked for him?
Mr. Sibanyoni.
Ngimsebenzela through any company.
I work for him through another company.
Oh, so you did work for Mr. Sibanyoni. Are you still working for him?
Sorry, before the witness answers that, the answer he gave is that he works for Mr. Sibanyoni through another company. Yes. I think it's only fair to give him the opportunity to explain that.
Thank you, Madam. Please explain.
Ngimsebenzela ubaba uSibanyoni through any company. Angisebenzi na direct. Angibhadarwa uye.
I'm not working direct with Mr. Sibanyoni. He's not the one who's paying me. I'm working for him through another company.
Yes.
Now, if someone was shot twice in the stomach with an AK-47, I doubt if he would have survived.
AK-47 in by.
Based on what does my learned friend make this assumption?
Mr.
Is he now a medical expert?
Yeah. Mr. Khobia, I think maybe you should just rephrase that question, because you're going to pick up criticism and an objection to say that you're not a ballistics expert, and perhaps you should rephrase it, say there's a reasonable possibility if a person is shot with a high velocity fire that his chances of survival are minimal. I think that would you find that to be palatable?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my lord. If a witness can then answer that question.
So what Mr. Khobia is putting to you is that if a person is shot with a high velocity firearm, and to that extent being an AK-47 firearm, the chances of a person surviving that attack upon himself is minimal. What would your response be?
AK-47 adubuleke ngendlela akhulunywa ngayo adubuleke ngakhona ama-chances wakhe wokuphila akakho maningi.
Hayi lokho angikwazi.
I don't know.
Andinalwazi lwalokho.
I do not have an idea of that. Knowledge of the action.
Okay. Now, is there a possibility that one or more of the shots that you fired could have hit Mr. Sibanyoni?
Ngahle kwenzeke hlezi wena lama shot wadubula udubula ngesibhamu sakho ngawathole ubaba uSibanyoni.
Cha, ukuthi kwakunjalo yamele ngabaphumele mosina ku right hand side. I9mm ayikwazi ukungena kulomnyango ngala iphumele ngale. Angeke ikwenze lokho i9mm. I9mm ingangangeni ngisho ukungena the way edom ngakhona. Ingangangeni ngisho ukungena kwalapha kwisivalo semoto. Or ingene ingaphumeli ngale. Ufuna ukuthini kini?
No, 9mm, that caliber of 9mm. When you shoot someone with 9mm, it cannot have entrance wound and exit wound.
Ngaya manje kuprove.
Even if you can shoot at a motor vehicle, it's rare that a 9mm can do that. Actually, what you want to say to me?
That's not your test.
I engage you now on the test. Let's go and test.
Sir, are you now an expert? When somebody's shot with a 9mm, whether there has to be an exit wound, then how do you know what the evidence is in this matter? How do you know whether there's exit wounds or not?
Was kanjani ke manje ukuthi maybe ingangena ngala iphumele ngale? Ufike kanjani na?
Angeke nje izingene izeke le moto. Alina lento ukuthi lingavimba ibullet liyongena ngale. Angeke. Never.
Alinakuthi ngavimba
ibullet. Ukuthi lingaphumela ngale, lingene ngala liphumele ngale. Only isibhamu esingenza lokho i-caliber yebullet leliswe likwingaleso sikhathi. Okusuke kuyisibhamu engathi isikhulu.
Yes, with 9mm, you can't shoot with a 9mm small. I don't know whether it's the lack of better word, a shotgun or what, or 9mm. You cannot shoot maybe at a car and then the bullet and can had an entrance and exit, because it depends on the caliber of the firearm. If it's a rifle, then that can happen, but not a small firearm.